Hair transplants are popular procedures for those looking to restore their hair growth. But most people are unaware of the aftercare instructions and side effects following such a procedure. The procedure involves surgically removing healthy hair follicles from the back or sides of the scalp and transplanting them to areas of the scalp where hair is thinning or balding. But what about after the surgery? Can you work after a hair transplant? Let's go ahead and find out. Hi, I'm János from HairPalace Hair Clinic, and as a patient coordinator I have accompanied the treatment of more than 1,500 patients in the past 5 years. The short answer is yes, you can work after a hair transplant. This is an outpatient procedure, so the patient can return home immediately after the surgery is finished. However, it is important to follow the instructions of your doctor and allow your scalp to heal properly. Generally, it takes at least 2 weeks for the treated area to heal. So while you can technically return to work the next day, it is best to take a few days off and allow yourself to heal properly. The side effects of a hair transplant vary from person to person and can include redness, swelling, itching and scabbing. These side effects should subside within a few days after the procedure, but it is important to follow your doctor's instructions to minimize any complications. Additionally, if you have a more physically demanding job, your doctor might recommend a longer leave from work. For example, you have to wait a couple of weeks to safely use a safety helmet again. After a hair transplant, it is also important to protect your scalp from direct sunlight. This will help to prevent sunburn and also reduce the risk of infection. It is also important to be gentle with your scalp in the weeks following the procedure. Avoid any activities that could cause trauma to the scalp, such as vigorous brushing or using products with harsh chemicals. Additionally, it is important to avoid any activities that could cause sweating, as sweat can cause irritation and infection. Overall, it is possible to work after a hair transplant. However, it is important to follow the instructions of your doctor and take the necessary steps to ensure that your scalp heals properly. This includes taking time off from work, protecting the scalp from the sun, and avoiding any activities that could cause trauma to the scalp. With proper care, you can ensure that your hair transplant is a success. Did you take any time off work after your hair transplant? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week, so you can take a look at success stories and learn more about hair restoration methods that can help you overcome hair loss once and for all. Thank you for watching.